And then we have arc methods. So there is the 3-point arc. So I need 3 points. So the first point, the second point, and the third point. So that's a 3-point arc. Can draw it in the other direction as well. So that's a 3-point arc. And then we have the start, center, and end method. So this is my start position. That will be my end position. And then where do I want it to end? Which is an interesting one. This is the start, center, end method, right? Okay, that's an interesting one. And then the next one I have there will be the start center angle and then start center length. Okay, so you see that they are categorized. If you look at this, so the first one is a 3-point, and then there is a divisional line here, and then we have arc methods which start with we have arc methods where you'd have to begin the construction with the start point and where the center is. So the next category is start and end. The next category is start and center. And then the next batch you have where you start, where you end. So let's look at that. So I start here. Let's say I end there, and then the last item there is the angle, right? The angle that I want the curve to traverse. And then I have something like this, say start end. So start end here, and then what is my radius? Okay, so that's the second badge. And then the next badge you have the center, and then where to start. So this is my center, and then I want to start here. Now where do I want to end? So that's the next category. So you would have to try your hands on them and then see which ones will fit your best use, and that will be that.